Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about blockchain.com crypto wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about blockchain.com wallet, it is one of the most popular crypto wallets on the market today. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crypto user, this wallet is designed to cater to a wide range of needs. If you are just starting with Bitcoin or managing a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies, blockchain.com wallet has you covered. One of the key features of this wallet is its ease of use. Blockchain.com offers a very user-friendly interface, which makes it accessible even to those who may not be tech-savvy. The setup process is simple and quick, allowing you to start sending, receiving, and storing cryptocurrencies within minutes. This wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. This means you can manage a variety of assets in one place without needing multiple wallets. Additionally, blockchain.com wallet seamlessly integrates with blockchain.com exchange, which allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. For those who prefer managing their crypto on the go, blockchain.com offers a mobile app that mirrors the functionality of the desktop version. The app is well optimized, allowing you to check your balance, send funds, and trade cryptocurrencies easily from your smartphone. However, the wallet is not without its drawbacks. Customer support, for instance, has received mixed reviews. While the support team is responsive, resolution times for issues can vary. Additionally, some users have reported delays in withdrawal times during periods of high network congestion. This can be a concern if you frequently need quick access to your funds. In conclusion, blockchain.com wallet is a great option for managing multiple cryptocurrencies in one place. However, if you value complete control over your private keys, you may want to explore non-custodial wallet options instead. So that's basically all about blockchain.com crypto wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.